Alright, boys, November the 6th. It's 7:10. Now, I done shot one. You'll see it in the trigger cam. Now, based on the laser, it looks like a 59-60 yards. And I'll tell you something, boy, that's a cold barrel shot on that gun. That damn gun is smooth when it goes off, boys. I don't feel any vibration. I just don't like the shape of that stock. That varmint stock in this V right here. We may leave it on there. I could change it to the American. It's more tapered on the bottom. You see that varmint stock there. I hear some squirrels barking behind me here. Only seen that one. Overcast, and they brought the rain back in the forecast this morning for here for a couple hours this morning. That's why I'm afraid to get too deep in the woods. See what else we can do here, boys. 17 Mach 2 CCIV and T. Got obstruction, boys. Aim right over there. I'm not aiming at the head. Got a little wind coming from my right. I'm gonna laser that. It's right at 59 or 60 yards, okay? What I did is I see that right there, I laser that thing right there, and you see that limb where I shot that squirrel. So I laser that thing right there, I'm getting 59 on that laser. Long wheel showing up down there, boys. Pretty good little distance apart to them. If that was a squirrel, it wouldn't be out of range of this gun. I can tell you that shit right now. The gobblers are spying me a little bit, okay? That gobbler's a 144 laser, so that's not out of range of this gun. Right there he is. 44. If I was an old fox squirrel standing up right in there to his right, he'd be in trouble with this rifle, boys. With a sharpshooter behind it. I believe there's 4 gobblers up there, boys. What do y'all think about a sharpshooter turkey farm? Look what's behind me over here. Let me turn this camera around. I'm sitting in a damn open spot. Look at the turkeys, boys. We got a good crop of turkeys in here, and I ain't been shooting them either. This is a no squirrel zone. No coyote zone. I'm a pretty good ways away from them. Watch them. Getting it, ain't they? One each gray squirrel, boys, before the deluge. It's quit raining now, though. May try to go kill 9, maybe finish out the bag limiter. Tried to.